Hello folks, I hope you're all doing great. In this video we are going to optimize, we will do search engine optimization on each page, which is called the on-page SEO optimization. So this is the website from the company, and I'm supposed to do on-page search engine optimization or SEO optimization. We are going to use the SEOPress plugin, actually the Pro version. This is really a great plugin. In a previous video I just explained step by step, and I just set it up this plugin on the WordPress. You can watch that video. That is a complete step-by-step process. And by the way, if you're using this SEOPress plugin and if you want to go for the Pro version, actually it's really cheap compared to Yoast or to some other SEO plugins. This is really cheap, $39 US, and yeah, you can check all the packages. I will put my referral link, my affiliate link in the description. If you want to go for the Pro version, you can use my referral link, and then you will get some discount. I will get some commission, and I thank you for that. So let's start optimizing the pages. I'm on the home page, and here this is the locations. So for many cities we have created pages, so whenever someone is searching, let's say for example computer support in Miami, or computer support for example in San Francisco, San Jose, so these pages should come up, and we want to rank these pages on the first or second page of Google. Okay, let's go and started with Los Angeles, computer repair and support in and around Los Angeles. And these are some of the keywords we are using: computer repair, computer support, and yeah, these are some of the contents. Remember that the image and everything should be optimized. You need to use those keywords in the name, in the alt text. But remember, don't overuse the keywords, so just use it the way it makes sense. So this is the page. Now in order to optimize, just click edit page. Of course, before optimization you need to have the SEOPress plugin installed and activated. Okay, so this is the Los Angeles computer support. This is the keyword when someone is searching, for example, computer support Los Angeles computer support. We want this page should come up. Now, before you want to rank your page, your content for a specific keyword, just check that specific keyword. For example, in here I'm using SEMRUSH to check the specific keyword. The keyword which I want to rank for is computer support. Just write the keyword in the keyword magic tool. In here it will give you the details about that specific keyword. For example, computer support has around 2,400 volume per month, and the keyword difficulty is 58%, so it means it is a little bit difficult to rank for this specific keyword. Anyway, it's not impossible, but if you want to find the keywords with low difficulty, search those keywords. These are the keywords with very low keyword difficulty. So if you use these keywords, then you will have high chance to rank on the first page and second page, but this keyword doesn't have high volume. So we are going to go for those keywords which have good volume, and the KD keyword difficulty is not that high too. Anyway, so we are going for a computer support. Now I edit page. This is the keyword we have used here, Los Angeles computer support, and it's Los Angeles computer support itself also can be a keyword. So just let's check this keyword overall. Advanced computer support Los Angeles, and these are the keywords. You can see the details. The details are not available for this specific keyword anyway, so people are searching for this keyword. Now let's go to a website backend and just do the SEO optimization. computer support, computer repair and support in and around Los Angeles. And you can see the other contents in here. The other contents are just the shortcut which we have pasted from random content. Here it is. We have a random content here. These are the content. Since there are a lot of pages, so we cannot create all the content and duplicate all the content and use them for all those pages. So that is why we have created this random content, and we are just pasting the shortcut in every page. And remember, whatever you're using, just optimize everything from your image, videos. For example, let me click on this support. This is a image that we have used in our pages, those pages for the cities. Just make sure that they are also optimized for the SEO. Let me click replace, open file library. Yeah, this is the image, and you can see the name is something like which is not readable, which is not good for the SEO. What you need to do is just use the keyword here, computer support, or just you can add something else. So I just use computer support for the alt text also and the name, and click select. Update this one. Same case you need to do for all the contents on your website. Okay, so in here these are those random contents which I just showed you. Let me scroll down. From here you can see the SEO. All the settings regarding the SEO are here. The first thing is about the title. The standard schema, the standard structure is to use the post title at the beginning. You can see they're here, and then a separator, then a site title. Los Angeles computer support, Black Hawk MSPI. Yeah, this is a good one. Yeah, this is how it will look on desktop, and this is how it will look for the mobile view. This is the meta description. Of course, make sure to use at least one of your keywords there. And scroll down, and in here target keywords. These are the keywords that you are targeting. Los Angeles computer support, Los Angeles computer repair, and computer support Los Angeles. So just type the keywords that you want to rank for, then scroll down, refresh analysis. These are the things that should be improved, and these with the green light, it means they are already improved and no need to bring change. For example, the alternative text of the image, you just saw that I changed the name for that specific image, the random content. I used the keyword. If I was not using the keyword, then this one was also like orange. I had to bring the changes. Same case with other things. You can just follow about the meta description, meta title, that Los Angeles computer support was found one time. It means the keyword is inside the meta title, and the keyword in the permalink. So let's go and check why these things are orange. Okay, target keyword was found in the heading 1, of course, in the heading 2 also. This is the heading 1 and this is the heading 2. So we have all the keywords in those. And heading 3, so we don't have any heading 3 in this content. So that is why we don't have it, so we don't need to use. It's alright. So, and structured data type, we don't have any structured data type for this. And the internal link, we don't have any internal link, so it's recommended to add internal link, external link. All the backlinks in your website matters a lot. For example, you can just write something and link this one on another page of your website. Click update. After updating, after bringing all the changes, just go to the SEOPress, go to the XML and HTML sitemap. In here, you just need to do the two things. The first thing is the flash permalink. It will flash the changes you brought on your permalinks, the changes you brought in the content, and then ping Google manually. It means it will ping Google about the recent changes that you brought. Okay, and a sitemap notification has been received. So a sitemap from your website has been sent to Google, and Google used those XML sitemap and HTML sitemap to rank your website for the search engine. Alright, so this is how you do the search engine optimization, on-page SEO optimization. Yeah, and also this is about the SEOPress. There is another tutorial about the Yoast SEO and also the all-in-one SEO. I will put the links in the description if you are using those plugins for search engine optimization. It's all. Thank you very much. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon, and if you want to hire us to optimize your website or to create a new website for you, or you need any technical support and stuff, just send an email to info@solutions.net, then give full details at what you need and how we can help you, and we will get back to you and we will work together. Okay, thank you very much and have a good day.